This is a discussion on pheochromocytoma. Pheochromocytoma class is a tumor or a cancer that grows on the adrenal gland. So if this is your kidney, on top of the kidney is your adrenal gland, and the pheochromocytoma is one that grows on the adrenal glands. When there is a tumor class or a growth on any organ of the body, you are expected that the hormone, it is expected that the hormone that these structures secrete will also have to increase. For example, class, if there's a tumor in the thyroid gland, for example, if this is your thyroid gland will secrete its own hormones. Unsa may iyang hormones? Di ba T3, T4, thyrocalcitonin. So mo secrete si thyroid gland ana. But kung naa na siya tumor on top of it, this tumor will act as if it is also the thyroid gland. So maghimo po siya iyahang own T3, T4, thyrocalcitonin. So kumusta man ang level ni T3, T4, and thyrocalcitonin this time? Di ba sobra kadaghan? There will be overproduction of these hormones. That is what tumors do. So imong timan-an class, basta naaga ni tumor ang usa ka organ, there will be overproduction of the hormone that they produce o tan-awa tong Cushing's. Di ba ang sa Cushing's kay usa sa reason is naa kay taas nga adenocorticotropic hormone because probably there is a tumor at the pituitary gland, or when there's a tumor at your adrenal glands, na po kay hypersecretion, basta na ay tumor, musubra ang production sa imong mga hormone. For example, naa kay tumor sa imuhang pituitary gland, what will be the effect? Hyperpituitarism. Nganong ingon ana man na? Because the pituitary gland secretes its own hormones, and the tumor that grows in the pituitary gland also secretes its own hormones. So ang resulta, hyperpituitarism. And that's not difficult to remember, class. Basta ganinay tumor, overproduction yun na siya. Ngano man, tumor man, kay kung one more, gamay ra. Diba? So tumor man, perting daghan na. Now here, this is a case of a tumor at the adrenal gland. When the adrenal gland has a tumor, then the hormone that they produce will also be increased. Remember, your adrenal gland is divided into cortex and medulla. The medulla secretes catecholamines, and catecholamines are either epi and norepi. In the case of pheochromocytoma class, there is no effect as to the adrenal cortex portion. The manifestations of a patient with pheochromocytoma is concentrated on the aspect of the adrenal medulla, such that kung naay tumor sa adrenal gland, ang adrenal medulla nimo mo hyperactive po siya, causing increased secretion of the catecholamines. Now, kung taas ang imong epi, taas ang imong norepinephrine, what will happen? If you remember, si epi is responsible for heart rate and your respiratory rate. Si norepi is responsible for your blood pressure. So kung taas ang imuhang epinephrine, there will be increased heart rate, there will be increased RR. Kung taas imong norepinephrine, there will also be an increased blood pressure. So what do you see? Taas ang heart rate, taas ang RR, taas ang BP. What do you call this triad of symptoms? You call this as hypertensive crisis. So this is a case of hypertensive crisis. Unsa man din na siyang hypertensive crisis, class? Your hypertensive crisis is characterized by 5 P's. Unsa man ang 5 P's? Number 1, you will have palpitations. Number 2, your pressure. Unsa man ang pressure? Actually, I mean your blood pressure is also elevated. Panington ka, so there will be perspiration. Okay? Your color will be luspad. You will have pallor. And lastly, you will experience pain in the head, headache. Labad gani ang ulo, basin pasabot na kay problema sa imuhang blood pressure. Okay? So that is your simple pathophysiology of your pheochromocytoma. Now let's try to manage your pheochromocytoma. So what do we do to manage it? Number 1, pheochromocytoma gani or tumor gani dinha sa imuhang costovertebral aspect, diri sa imuhang kuto-kuto dapit, dili gyud na nimo pwede ipalpate ha. No palpation. Okay? Number 2, there should be no heating pads. Ngano man class? Because when you palpate and when you apply heat over the adrenal glands, unsa may resulta na, that will stimulate the release of more and more catecholamines. Di mo samot ang imong hypertensive crisis. And because the problem of pheochromocytoma is a hypertensive crisis, you give your drug of choice. Unsa may atong drug of choice sa pheochromocytoma? You can give hydralazine or you can give your sodium nitroprusside. Okay? These are your drugs of choice. And because this is a case of a tumor causing overproduction, then your management of surgery could be adrenalectomy. Okay? So this is your simple discussion on pheochromocytoma.